Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect the Debutify to Shopify. So first, you may want to head over to admin.shopify.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the new tab, just head over to platform.debutify.com and also log in to an account. So from here, you will have to go through all these steps, starting with AI Store Builder. So from here, you have an option for prompt-based store builder or manual store builder. From here, I'm just going to choose build manually. Next is the plan selection. So you're just going to need to select a plan. And from here, you have an option to select free. Then just proceed. And from here, we're going to integrate our Shopify platform. So all you have to do is head over to Shopify. Then next is click on settings. And from here, you should be able to get your Shopify URL. Just copy this and paste it here. Then click on verify URL. You can also add API access tokens. It is recommended, but also optional. And to get this, you can follow the steps shown at the right corner of your screen. Then once done, just head over and press continue. And from here, we can proceed by get your theme now. And as you can see here, our theme is being set up and we should be able to receive this on our email address. So in the new tab, we're just going to log in to our email and this is the email we received from the Beautify and we're just going to click to download our theme. Then next, we're just heading back to admin.shopify.com, click on our online store, and next is click on import theme and upload the zip file. Just going to click on add file. And from here, we're going to select the Debutify file, open it, then click on upload file. To finalize everything, we're just going to publish the theme. Proceed by clicking on publish. And this is now how our theme looks like. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.